Past simple. This tense is used to describe an action that has already happened. The structure is subject plus a verb in the past form. For example, I walked to work today. She arrived late to school. I ate my lunch in the cafe. I saw my friend in the shop. It's important to note that irregular verbs have different past forms. For example, eat becomes ate and eaten. There are many different types of irregular verbs, so make sure you know the past forms. Past perfect. This tense is used to describe an action that was finished before another past action. The structure is subject plus had plus a verb past participle. For example, I had finished my homework to give to my teacher, but she had already left. He had visited China. My mum hadn't packed my lunch, so I had to prepare it myself. Past continuous. This tense is used to describe an action that was ongoing. This action may have been interrupted or another action also occurred. The structure is subject plus was or were plus the verb ending in ing. For example, I was working all day to finish my homework. We were walking home when my mum called me. He was waiting an hour when the bus finally arrived. It's important to note, with subjects I, she, he, it, we use was. With subjects we, they, you, we use were. Past perfect continuous. This tense is used to describe an action that started in the past and continued till another action or time in the past. The structure is subject plus had been plus the verb ending in ing. For example, it had been raining all day, so I couldn't walk to work. We had been looking for my phone for 1 hour when Jasmine found it under the sofa. She had been preparing dinner when I arrived home.